What if I told you you could turn any word into a professional shirt design just using one prompt? No design skills, no complicated software, just one prompt and one word. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how we create a design inside Kittl using their AI feature. Then make it fully DTF print ready using our website, print it and press it onto a real shirt so you could see the final result. From idea to wearable design in one workflow. Let's make it happen. All right, guys, we are here on Kittl. Let me show you how easy it is. First, you're gonna get the prompt from our website, look for prompt Chrome, copy the prompt, and then you're gonna paste the prompt on here. And then look for the text that says enter text here. You're gonna just enter whatever you want. I'm gonna put Chrome. And then we're using Nano Banana 2. Honestly, Kittl is probably called the Costco of all AI because it has every AI platform you want to use. I'm using Nano Banana 2 because I wanted to kind of get more of a realism. So let's generate it. What I like about Kittl's AI 2 as well, it gives you at least 2 of the images so you can mess around with it. This is really more for design, guys. I know Gemini definitely does use like where they could give you at least several different images, which is cool too, but with this one you can mess around with. And I'm going to show you as soon as it uploads. We got one that already uploaded. Okay, the 2 uploaded. I'm liking this one a little bit more because of how I feel like it shines a little bit more. This one's all right, but I feel like this one shines a lot more. I do like the way it's the layout too. Yeah, I'm gonna give it this one. I'm gonna delete this one. And so this is another thing I like about it. I could put it in here and now I can remove the background. Awesome, it did it very cleanly. After that, I'm gonna upscale it, which is just gonna make the resolution pop more. It's just gonna bring it up to at least 300 dpi. You might see some little differences, nothing super crazy, but you might see something. All right. Okay, I don't know if you just noticed that, but it definitely brightened a lot. It looks good. I like it. So now all we have to do is just download it. We're gonna do 300 dpi because we want the highest resolution. We're doing inches so we can know exactly how many inches we're gonna be putting on to our shirt. We're doing 20 inches for both because we're gonna scale it down when we actually wanna print it out. So let's remove the background, then optimize the quality. Let's export.
Hey superstars, if you just watched this and you're thinking, how do I do this myself? Well, we put everything together onto one guide, every prompt we use, word for word, the exact effects you just saw today, ready to copy and paste straight into AI. It's called the DTF Prompt Playbook. The link is in the description below. Everything you need to start making the designs like this today. Now back to your video.
Now, since we have it export, we're gonna go to our website. This is how easy as it comes. Since you already have it upscaled, since you already removed the background, you don't need to do anything else, so I wouldn't recommend you go into our gang sheet builder. Instead, you're gonna go into our DTF transfer by size. So I don't know if you noticed because I was yapping in the beginning, I'm gonna show you a little bit slower. Upload artwork, click on that bad boy, and then upload your image. That's as easy as it gets. You can even drag it in there if you want. That's as easy as it comes. After that, it's gonna give you basically the dimensions of the image, telling you exactly what it is. It is pretty big because we did a 20 by 20 on the artboard. So I'm looking at 18-inch on the width, which is too big. I don't need 18-inch on the width, so I'm gonna do 11 and then 5-inch on the height, okay? That's not bad, looks good, I like it. I just need one, you know? One of those, wow. Just already $2, not that bad. Okay, well, all I need is one, so we're just gonna add it to our cart and get it printed. After that, we should see it within 2 to 3 business days. I mean, for us, we could even get either a same day rush or a next day rush, so we could most likely get it today or the next day as well. Awesome. All right. If you're tired of hitting creative blocks, you need to try Kittl. It's an all-in-one design platform that handles everything from AI generation to pro-level editing. One tool, infinite possibilities, and no more wasted subscription fees. Check the link in the description to save 25% on your plan and level up your designs right now. We got the print. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, the realism in this design is crazy. I love how it shines. It definitely simulates full-on chrome. More metallic, but yeah, it looks good, guys. I really can't wait to put this on a shirt, so I'm not gonna hold you guys any further. Just real quick, looking at the back for those edges. Look at how clean that is. Awesome. All right, let's get this cut and onto a shirt. All right, guys, let's get this cut. So only going towards the straight edge first, just so I could get a very clean cut right now too. There we go. Awesome. Let's get started. For today's blank, we're using this medium black shirt. It is a Smart Blanks brand, style number is 402. If you guys are interested, check the link in the description below. For our heat press, we're using our 15x15 Fever heat press. This is an automatic heat press, been a workhorse for all of our projects. If you guys want to check it out too, it will also be in the link in the description. Now let's get started. For our heat press settings, we have it at 300 degrees with heavy pressure, and it's a 10-second press time. Usual 7 seconds, but for this heat press, only at 5-second intervals, we had to do 10. So first things first, I am going to set up my laser. I already have preset lines, so I could set up this laser fairly easy. As soon as it's aligned, awesome. Now we're just going to align our shirt properly, making sure all edges are straight. And this is on the edge. Right. What we're gonna do is just put it to its edge. Find that midway point. And then put it right there. A good other reference too is that if you want to use your fingers from the collar, and then I use my fingers on the side to determine. All right, looks leveled. All right, now let's get to pressing. So I know I say this a lot into our videos, but it's a good 15-second wait. But I understand that this is a hot and cold peel, so you can just peel it right off the bat. Okay, it looks good. What we're gonna do is actually put this so we could keep a little bit more of the shine. We're gonna press it like that. Alrighty. Go. Wow. All right, guys, let's take a closer look. All right, guys, let's take a closer look here. It looks good, guys. This really pops. I'm not gonna lie to you. This actually does look metallic. It looks chrome. It definitely pops for sure. I love the edges too as well. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it came out really, really nice. This was all using Kittl's AI too, guys. Yeah, I don't know what else to say on this, guys. This came out amazing. All right, cool. And just like that, the design goes from digital artwork to a fully finished metallic chrome graphic on a real shirt. Start to finish, concept, creation, print, and press. If you learned something new or got inspired, hit that like button, drop a comment on what word you would use for this prompt, and subscribe for more DTF tips, experiments, and creative breakdowns. See you guys on the next one.